Hey, my youth, you know where I watch. Dancehall skilla.
I'm a cop for 33 years. Detective all of my life. And I went to Sovereign in Portmore. That is in Pine Plaza there. Or Sovereign Pine, whichever they call it. And went to Wendy's, the drive-thru. When I reach up to the area where I'm supposed to speak over the mic for your order, then say I must come round to the second window. I realized that the vehicle might move fast. I was saying, but I wonder if whether my order them don't have it, that's why the vehicle might move so fast. When I went to the window, two ladies have a mask right here with them cash and say, listen, you have this white paper, I have this white paper, you have any like this? I said, what is it? He said, then get it from Sunday to show the people. If they don't have it, them don't get served. So I took out my ID and showed them a police ID. I said, no, not even police can get served if you don't have that paper. They said they get it from Sunday. So if I'm on a job that I bought after 12, I'm on a job from 6 o'clock in the morning and I want something to eat. Are you telling me as a person who's serving this country I must dead for hungry? If I don't have that paper. When I said to her, I said, let me see the paper. I said, no. If you didn't have one, you nice what on it. I'm saying, okay. I drove off. All I'm saying to you people, dark days are here. And that is why you see police that are in the street and they're on lockdown. And I lock up anybody during the lockdown. And I feel so bad for my country. That's why I served so much years, and this is what it come to. So where should I get food to eat? The food to eat to keep me alive. Suppose I was a person who's sick. I need some food to eat, to take some medication. What would happen to me? What the country gone to? And it's going to get worse and worse until there's an end. At the end of this thing, not going to be pretty. Because when you trouble security force that way, I deal with them that way, they're going to leave you people out there unsafe. Their time will come with police, because of them treat police, the government. Their time will come when you call for assistance and the police is on your street and turn him back. Because he's not going to take action.
You hear that? You hear what he say? Eh? You hear what he say a while ago? Wow. Wow. Listen.
Immediately, and wait until after. You must say it easier, because guess what? How the country treat you. And that is what is happening. I am one of them. Happened to today. And I realized something. I work Sunday also. I was up by New Kings and I drive a marked police vehicle. And when I reach up by the Kentucky and New Kingston, they say I cannot go inside here. And I see the next police stand up in a uniform, me and my police vest. And him say, Indian, why things set away, we can't go in there. At the same time, me see the guys them where they deliver food from bike going through the door without mask, going inside here, take up on them taking and coming outside. The government say these guys must not charge them because they don't have a carrier's license to carry food. You must not charge them if you don't carry the food. That's right we are. And they know that the law is there. So what are you doing? You open with one hand and close another hand? Because when you buy the food like that online, you have to pay $600. So the bank get money and the fast food place get money. So that is a way to go to treat people in this country. This is what our country come to. It's going to get worse. Dark days are here. And this is the last thing them do. If you do it one time and you reverse it, you already do the damage. I just see it. Last week, Monday, on duty again, I'm going to Kentucky at 85. Them say, my brother, them say, I cannot come inside here. Let's say we're going to a window where all of the people mix up. And you see guys where do ends, where them call it, delivery, you with them. I go inside here. So who we as a police, as a security force, who we? We are nothing. So here what gonna happen? The police gonna treat the people like nothing. I don't say anything I said. They serve the person who can defend themselves by themselves. They are the one who can help themselves and can take the vaccine. And not looking and see what is going to happen to other people you depend on. Apparently government say, listen, you don't need the police force. Every man is for themselves. That's how I see it.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, let me give you my understanding of the things that the person said in that audio that I just presented to you. And I'm going to give you my opinions about those situations that the person talked about in the audio that I just presented to you. Because I got the understanding that the person talked about the different situations that happened on different days within the country of Jamaica. Alright? Now, I got the understanding that the person said that he's a police officer within the country of Jamaica for a certain amount of years. Right? And in one part of the audio, the person said some things that gave me the understanding that he said that he went to a fast food restaurant or a food establishment that is located somewhere within the country of Jamaica to buy food, but he was not able to do so because he did not have a certain piece of paper. Now, according to other things that have been said in the audio, I got an understanding that that piece of paper that the person mentioned might be a paper of authorization for persons to be able to buy food at fast food restaurants or food establishments within the country of Jamaica on no movement days within the country of Jamaica. See it? And according to other things that the person said, I got the understanding that the man talked about the situations that happened on no movement days within the country of Jamaica. You see? Now, on no movement days within the country of Jamaica, and the no movement days are considered to be days of curfew, see, or you can say 24 hours of curfew day by day, see. Yes, so on no movement days, I think that each and every single police officer within the country of Jamaica should be able to go to any fast food restaurants or food establishments during opening hours of those fast food restaurants or food establishments and can be able to buy food without having to present any paper of authorization. See? In my point of view, I think that police work is hard work. Police officers put their life on the line to protect citizens within the country of Jamaica. Police officers protect citizens within the country of Jamaica and serve citizens within the country of Jamaica, putting their lives on the line. And when we say that police officers should be able to go to fast food restaurants or food establishments during opening hours of those fast food restaurants or food establishments on no movement days, I'm talking about police officers who are on duty, you know. See me? Once they're off duty is a different thing, you know, viewers and subscribers. You understand? Yeah, me I talk about those who are on duty. So, I just want to point out that part. You see? Yeah, and you can also let me know if I am wrong or if I'm right, you know, viewers and subscribers. But I think that police officers within the country of Jamaica should have certain privileges during no movement days within the country of Jamaica. Some persons might call no movement days lockdown within the country of Jamaica. You see what I say? Yeah, and here's the thing now. You might have some persons who might disagree with the things that I'm saying because I'm defending the police within the country of Jamaica on a certain issue. See? Yes, I know that you have good and bad police. See? But at the same time, because of certain reasons, I think that the police officers within the country of Jamaica should have certain privileges during no movement days within the country of Jamaica. See? Anyways, you know, I'm gonna leave it right there, so you know. You understand? I'm gonna leave it right there, so you know. Big up and respect to each and every one. Let me know what you think about the things that the person said in that audio that I just presented to you. Alright, and until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. Yes, it.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch.